Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Setting up Outlook using IMAP allows you to sync your emails across all your devices seamlessly. To get started, you need specific server addresses and port numbers to ensure your connection is secure and functional. For your incoming mail server, use imap-mail.outlook.com. The port number for incoming mail is 993, and you must select SSL or TLS as the encryption method. This ensures your data stays private while traveling from the server to your device. Next, you need to configure the outgoing mail server, also known as SMTP. Enter smtp-mail.outlook.com in the outgoing server field. The correct port for outgoing mail is 587. For the encryption method on the outgoing server, choose Startles or simply TLS depending on your email client version. Your username is always your full email address, including the domain name like @outlook.com or @hotmail.com. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Microsoft account, you will need to generate a unique app password instead of using your regular account password. This is a crucial step that many people overlook when they encounter frustrating login errors. Once you enter these specific details into your mail app settings, your folders and messages will begin to synchronize immediately across your phone and computer. Always double-check that you have typed the server names correctly to avoid connection timeouts or authentication failures. These standard IMAP settings work for almost all modern email applications on Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android devices. By following these parameters, you can manage your Outlook inbox from anywhere without losing track of your read or unread messages.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.